In this video, I'll guide you through how to download your bank statements from N26. Whether you need them for budgeting, tax purposes, or just to keep track of your spending, accessing your bank statements is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the N26 app on your smartphone. Make sure you're already logged into your account, or take a moment to enter your credentials and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard of your account. At the top of your screen, look for the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This action will open up a side menu with various options. What you're looking for here is labeled Balance Statements. Tap on that option to proceed. Now you're taken to a section specifically for your statements. You'll notice a drop-down arrow situated near your current balance. Tapping on this arrow will reveal a list of all your available statements. If necessary, select Balance Statements again to ensure you're viewing the correct list. Now you can browse through the months available. Take your time to find the specific month you're interested in. For example, if you need the statement for January, scroll through the list until you find it. Once you've located the month you need, you'll see a download button right next to it. Tap this button to initiate the download process. Your bank statement will be downloaded directly to your device as a PDF file, which is both convenient and easy to share if needed. And there you have it. That's how to download your bank statement from N26. It's a straightforward process that ensures you have easy access to your financial records whenever you need them. Remember, keeping track of your finances is an essential part of managing your money effectively. So now that you know how to download your statements, you can stay on top of your financial game. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick guides on managing your finances.